Hello students, today we are going to cover mitochondria, that is a very important cell organelle found in the cytoplasm of the cell, and it is also called the powerhouse of the cell because the glucose is completely broken down into energy in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate molecules. So mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell, and this energy is required by the cells for their metabolic activities, that is required for the survival of an individual. So let us begin. First of all, we will make the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria is the double membrane bound structure in which the outermost membrane is porous while the innermost membrane is deeply folded. So this is the structure of mitochondria. This is the outer membrane, and this is the inner membrane, that is deeply folded, and the space between outer and inner membrane is intermembrane space. Intermembrane space. And this deeply folded structure, this is called matrix. This is the fluid part of mitochondria. This is called matrix, and this is the fluid part of the mitochondria. Inside this mitochondria, chromosomes are also found. Chromosomes are also present inside the matrix of the mitochondria, and F1 particle are also present inside the matrix, that is important for the process of oxidation of glucose. And this finger-like structure is cristae. And this matrix both have F1 particles, that is important for the process of oxidation of glucose. So in this way we saw here that mitochondria is double membrane bound structure. It has the outermost layer is called outer membrane, while the inner membrane is deeply folded to provide large area at the time of oxidation of glucose. And inside this fluid part is called matrix, and inside this matrix chromosomes are DNA are also present. DNA are found in mitochondria, and also ribosomes are, that are the protein factory of the cell, found in the mitochondria. Now let's have the structure of, let's explain it. Mitochondria also called the powerhouse of the cell. We saw its structure. Now who discovered it? Kolliker. Kolliker in the year 1857 discovered mitochondria, and Benda in the year 1898 named mitochondria. It is found, mitochondria is found in found in both type of cell, found in plant and animal cell. Both type of cell means plant and animal cell. As we saw the structure, it has the outer membrane that is porous and soft, while the inner membrane is deeply folded. It has a fluid protein containing part called matrix of the mitochondria, that contains DNA, that contains its ribosome, F1 particles, okay. In this way we saw the structure of mitochondria. Now come to the function of mitochondria. Function of mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell, as it production of energy takes place. Production of energy in the form of ATP. Production of energy in the form of ATP molecules. Adenosine triphosphate, molecules that are required by the cells for their metabolic activities. So inside mitochondria, energy production takes place. Oxidation of glucose, oxidation of glucose takes place. Oxidation of glucose gives energy, okay. And the third point is that this is also called, mitochondria is also called semi-autonomous organelle. Why it is called so? It is called so because mitochondria have its own DNA, and ribosomes. DNA and ribosomes collectively replicate, and this mitochondria structure can again be formed. So semi-autonomous organelle means that this mitochondria can replicate itself. So today we saw the structure and function of mitochondria. Thank you.